Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. This arm. Wow. How much pain from 0 to 10?
Like 6, 7.
Okay, let's do the front. Like this. Can you do that?
No.
Okay. So relax this arm. Let's do this. How much pain from 0 to 10?
Like 5, 6.
5. And the side?
No.
Okay.
And I went with different doctors in
So
physical therapy.
So you. All right, let's try it again. Front. Almost there. That's beautiful. Okay, let's do the side. Look at that. That's a full range of motion. Look at this. Wow. Look at.
Oh my God. I can't believe this. Really.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Do you feel any pain or the pain is gone?
No pain at all.
So the shoulder pain is gone?
Yeah.
Right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh. Wow.
Right, Janelle, tell me what's going on.
I've been in several car accidents.
Okay, how many?
4.
4 car accidents, okay.
And then I've, had issues with my back, neck.
What's going on?
This has been going on for a good 5-7 years.
5-7 years.
Okay. I've had physical therapy, a lot of
Physical therapy.
lots of massages.
Massage, physical therapy. Turn and so look at her elbow. Look at this. So she's not trying to use her core muscle. She's using her elbow and her hand. How much pain from 0 to 10?
Actually, it's not real bad right now. I don't know why, but it's not.
People feel better when they see me.
Yeah, that's probably why. It usually is how it is, but it's about a 7.
7.
Okay. Well, right there is a big difference.
You're moving faster. Did you notice before she was like on her elbow and her wrist?
I've never been able to sit up like that
For how long?
since January.
Okay. That's
Ever
beautiful.
sit
That's
up
good.
Like that. I'm gonna
Yeah.
cry.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. What do you think about the treatment? You had PT before,
You know,
you had massage.
I've
so
had everything before and I've never been able to sit up. Even
Yeah.
after a massage,
Yeah.
it takes me a long time to get up off
yeah,
the
it does
table.
not break the scar tissue.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
She's
awesome.
in tears.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know. That was
Yeah.
amazing. Right
Awesome.
there.
I'm glad you're feeling better.
Thank you
Yeah, well,
so
good.
much.
Glad it's
Okay.
working. Awesome. But this is a month follow up. You're fast.
And before, when I did this, I could feel everything in there kind of shifting around.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And I was like, oh no, I don't want to get up.
Uh-huh.
And I could not do
Wow, that's so fast compared to the first time.
I could
That's
not
beautiful.
get up at all. And
That's
I mean,
fantastic.
I just sit right up. It's
Yeah,
wonderful.
that's
You have no idea.
awesome.
I thank you so much for that.
Thank you. So, what do you think about ASTR treatment?
I think it's well worth it. Anybody should, if they're having problems, come get it done.
Yeah,
Yes,
awesome.
give it a try because it's well worth it.
Yeah, thank you. Is it
Yeah, I've had headaches for about 10 years.
10 years? Okay.
I have them daily.
Mm-hmm.
They're almost always on the left side of my head.
Okay.
And sometimes I have a lot of pain right back here on the
Mhm.
right side.
Mm-hmm.
And it's either like all behind my eye and right here. It could be in my temple. It could be up here above my eyes sometimes.
So you said it's daily for the last 10 years. Okay.
And
And
TMJ
okay.
issue.
Mhm.
The pain is in my jaw, in my ear, radiating up to my temple, my neck, my shoulder.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
Probably 8 consistently.
8 consistently. Okay.
So that I can feel that medicine helping a little, but there's no medicine that ever completely
Completely relieve
it
it.
away.
Yeah.
not at all.
So
I
how?
went to a neurologist and nothing was found. They told me they were tension headaches.
Okay.
I've had massage therapy, which helped temporarily.
Okay.
I've had chiropractic treatment, which didn't help at all. Acupuncture didn't help at all.
Okay.
I've been on multiple headache medicines prescribed by a doctor that some of them actually made the headache worse.
Okay.
None of them helped. So that was very short-lived.
Oh, so you tried everything in the menu.
I feel like I have. I mean, I don't.
Yeah.
Essential oils. I mean, every suggestion everyone's
Oh,
ever
okay.
had, I've tried. Nothing. It doesn't seem like anything touches
No.
it.
Or how much from 0 to 10 headaches do you feel?
8.
8. And where do you feel it now?
Mostly right here. But again, it's all in my jaw, my ear, my neck, my shoulder,
Okay.
into my eye,
Into your eye.
and up here too, a little bit. It's just like feels like it's just radiating all.
Right. So tell me how you feel now after the treatment. How's the
lot
headache
better.
from 0 to 10?
Probably. I don't really know if I have a headache right now.
All right. Awesome. So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
Great.
Yeah. Can you tell a difference than the stuff you had it before?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just felt like a total pressure release of my head.
And you had it for 10 years, yeah?
10 years.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, awesome. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.